Bruh. Jackson, Tennessee, we having all type of shit. So tonight it is Catbird Studio doing his own thing. Oh, it feels so good out here, cuz. You know, I feel like I'm out of town, even though I'm just in Jackson, but I'm out north. So y'all already know this a whole nother part of this a whole nother city. Like they created the city just to entertain them. But you know, it's cool, it's cool. We gonna let it slide. We gonna let it slide. We gonna let it slide. All the shit they got out here, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm mad I got to drive to another district to have fun, but you know, it is what it is. It is what it is, but yeah. If y'all didn't come out to the little event, I'm finna start moving around Jackson, because there's so much shit to do in this city. Ooh, that food smell good. Go check out the cater truck. Oh, and they got some tacos. Oh snap, he the kind of guy that put the bag of chips and shit. Okay. I'll check them out. This dude right here in the shop. I don't be wanting to disrespect folks. I don't want to disrespect people. Little chill little spot. If they build it, we will come. I'm so stupid. But nah, man. We'll feel good. It's a wonderful Friday night.
All right. Making content?
I'm filming myself, yes.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna hop in here real quick.
What's up,
I got
baby?
a couple questions. What's your name?
Golden.
What do you do?
Take care of myself. Right now I'm in school.
Man,
I go to
fucking
TCAT.
good answer.
I'm take care of myself. I'm an Army veteran. I'm a student at TCAT right now, learning how to work on cars. I'm a networker. I'm making sure these folks get their little shout out tonight. Just in general, you know.
So you just
but that's what I do.
We need more energy like that.
Do you do anything on a professional level?
I do, yeah.
We need to link up, but
so,
you got.
Once upon a time, like I grew up playing music around here, and it was over 20 years ago.
What do you do?
So now by trade, I'm a producer and songwriter.
Okay.
But
what's your stage name?
I go by William Rodit. That's my pen name, ghost name, whatever you want to call it. I work for a
good, by the way.
Thank you. I work for a company called Warner Chappell Music, which is a division of Warner Brothers, and honestly, I saw that they were putting this event on out here, and this is the first time that something has happened communally for music around here that wasn't strictly for profit since I was a kid.
And I love the vibe, honestly.
All right, so I love that you're a vet, because back in the day, the only place we could ever find to play groups around here was either at the VFW, the old Legion building, because they didn't care. As long as you bought beer and you would pay the room rental, they weren't biased. And so seeing what they've done with this place, man, it's cool. It gives kids a reason to want to actually try to do it.
And I'm definitely going to be out here more. Like, I was just telling myself, I have to start coming out, because it's like, I'm on the other side of Jackson, and it's like everything is over here. So it's like being willing to get out here and get in traffic.
That's me. I work in Nashville almost every day of the week. Travel back.
Oh, Lord, you one of those people.
All the babies and blah, 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 all that stuff. But you know what, man? Eventually you got to say, I'm going to be tired, but I'm going to go out and
we blocking the road. We move out the way.
All right.
Thank you, love.
Yeah, you have a film.
Take care. Shit, hey, pimpin'. This is my life, pimpin'. Those Girl TV, that's what I do. I just have fun. Shit, fun, what? Life, pimpin'. We live, pimpin'. Well, let me go if I start catching some folks that don't want to be caught on camera. Hold on, listen, he want to be on camera too. There they go.
Timmy Von D in this thing. What are we even doing?
Everything and anything, baby.
Let's go.
Pimpin'. Like I said, I love my city and state. Well, I'm about to be out here doing it. Anyway, I'm gonna holler at y'all. I'm a dog. People love the energy. I got a lot of stuff. I used to be broke like who the hell come. I be running up a profit. I'm a billion of the money. I'm gonna take it to the rack. I'm a dog. People love the energy. I got a lot of stuff. I used to be broke like who the hell come. I be running up a profit. I'm a billion of the money. Just so I can do better. Nigga keep pushing. Genesis, not so bad. I'm getting paid. I make 200 a day. Trust me, I'm making a play. I'm doing great. Started from nothing, I can't tell me nothing. I'm Spain, but don't have to change. Ways to obey. Most of them know me by name, and most of them know that the only thing I'ma do is make sure that my deposits run in. I was the bad. I was the loot. I was the cash.
with the cash, KaciGee. I like that. I like that right there. Y'all lit. Y'all lit for real. He was a friend of mine till I caught him out for chasing up the street to call it free. The secret head was out there. Little did he know I had a load trip of days. One Sunday night had a time. The boys in the hood are always hard. Come talking the track, we don't move your bar.
Ladies and gentlemen,
This song is called Spacewalker.
we're going to take a trip out of this world.
I just ain't talking about spacewalking. Keep coughing and keep dropping and I ain't calling. I'm straight falling. Out of control, I'm falling. But at the same time, I'm grinding. Never found it. I'm alone in the world, but the wind is surrounded. I really thought about the smoke till I choke on a stormy night. And I'm about to take flight. Always gotta be the hero. But it's like a hard to deal with zero. I mean, I hit the free throw. I can drop a beat flow. I can drop a beat flow. Like, whoa, let's go. Walk with me, the dirty side. As you're not from Tennessee. It's who I be, so take the knee. Cause I'm the king of space. And I'm about to drop it like a bass. Slow it down like a band. Yeah, so you gotta grab me. Gotta pull it to me like a magnet. Say dirty with a fabric. Watch your rabbit. When you get it, you ain't gonna ask you to have it. Cause I gotta like that. I need the rush roll back. Cause I gotta like that. I keep hoes coming back. Run away on the shit. Nothing with the track. I'm about to go the distance.
Put the lights over.
I'm gonna make a move.
Put the lights over. Put the lights over.
Give a fuck about nothing. Never front end, never start end. Always get niggas up. Yeah. Stay going hard, cause that's my bitch. Greenhouse, get the car, baby. That's my shit.
Damn, son, where'd you find this? On the runaway ride.
Smoke so much my pores, losing resin. Ew. I'm a stoner and I'll smoke whatever you got. No, sir, I'm not picky. It's all fucking pop. As long as it's me, any shade of green. Get me to that fancy place that I need. I'm a stoner and I'm proud to say that I'm high right now and it feels fucking great. I'ma be this way until the day I die. Until then, guaranteed, I'ma say something high. I'm a stoner, and you can tell by my odor. All day toker, bitch, you know that I'm a stoner. I'm a stoner, and my eyes couldn't get any lower. Never catch me sober. Just hang on, just hang on. Hello, everybody. My name is Kurt, and I'm a nerdy little stoner from planet Earth. I got a problem, and her name is Mary Jane. And I'm a stoner, and I say get with no shame. She is all I need to be the best that I can be. Unleash the space inside of me, fulfill my cosmic odyssey. Like it's a part of me, symbiotic entity. Stimulate my chemistry, and love and perplexity. Got my mind in a higher state. Let me contemplate for a moment. Just let me think. Oh, fuck. What the fuck was I gonna say? Oh, yeah. I was stoner and I forgot what I was saying. I was stoner and I smoked every day and night. I'm on this side, man. I'm too far gone. I'm just a stoner, baby, and I ain't done nothing wrong. I'm a stoner, and you can tell by my odor. All day sober. Did you know that I'm a stoner?
What are you?
I'm going hard in the paint, drug roll. Going hard in the paint,
Let's go.
hard in the paint, my roll. Going hard in the paint, going hard in the paint, my rolls. Hit that double cross. Don't need the boss, they already know I'm a boss. And I make it happen no matter the cost. Man, I'm the boss. Let's keep it going, never stop until I hang it up. You bitches can't up on me. shit on games that you can't. It ain't gonna help you, G. Broken movie great, switch states, this a rose cake. Make a different play like every day. This a miles away, every damn grinding. Shit times, but it's nothing though. Who got standards, out of mind, cause your homie gone. Cold after that, blue fire, like a stuffy nose. Put them in the drive, put a fly location, so I know. Nigga got retired, it was prior to war, to his own. 45 call bands, you know we lose those. When it close the ass, when the fire is with the police, so don't cross the line. You be slime, so look like a twofold. Put them in the pie, I'm crying, they think that you go. Get call the sign, steady line, think I go to the hole. This nigga's round, one of a kind, I'm too bright enough for old.
I truly enjoyed myself at the Catbird Studio tonight. I think, hold on, make sure I said that shit right. Yeah, Catbird Studio. Truly enjoyed myself this evening. But guess what? Now it's time to go see some folks drop it low. You know what I'm saying? It's time to get the Cody's. It's time for me to get the Cody's. Because I'm on this side of town. And if anybody know anything about being in this city, when you on the side of town, you got to take advantage. Cause bitch, once I get back on the south side of Jackson Hole, it's dead as hell. It's either out north or north.